Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tomato red sauce using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, a few cloves of garlic, and fresh basil. Don't forget good quality olive oil, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. This recipe is perfect for a quick weeknight meal or a delicious base for other dishes. Let's get cooking. Now, let's get our ingredients ready. Start by washing and roughly chopping your 2 pounds of tomatoes. Don't worry about perfection here. Next, mince 3 to 4 cloves of garlic finely. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your large pot over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add the minced garlic and sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant, being careful not to burn it. This step builds a foundational flavor. With the garlic fragrant, it's time to add the chopped tomatoes to the pot. Stir everything together, ensuring the garlic is well distributed. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it cook for about 20 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. After simmering, season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your taste. To finish your delicious red sauce, you can use an immersion blender directly in the pot for a smoother consistency, or leave it chunky for a rustic feel. Stir in a handful of fresh basil leaves right before serving to brighten the flavors. This sauce is fantastic with pasta, on pizza, or as a base for other Italian dishes. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.